Can you answer these questions? Example 1. Complete the table by converting between percentages, fractions, and decimals. In example A, starting with the fraction. Remember, a percentage is just a fraction out of 100. Therefore, we can write this as 45 over 100. Next, moving on to the decimal. Remember, decimals that have 2 decimal places are the same as a fraction out of 100. And since 45 out of 100 is smaller than 1 whole, we start with 0 point, then we take the numerator and write it after the point, giving us 0.45. In example B, our goal is to turn the denominator with a fraction out of 100. So we need to make equivalent fraction. To make equivalent fractions, multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Starting with the denominator, we need to multiply 20 by 5 to get 100. Then we also need to multiply the top by 5, giving us 20. Therefore, our equivalent fraction is 20 over 100, giving us 20%. And for the decimal, we get 0.20 or 0.2. If you want to follow along with every example in the topic, I'll leave a link to my free booklet in the description. In example C, starting with the fraction. When we have 3 digits after the decimal point, this represents a fraction out of 1,000. So we'll have the following. Now, to bring it back to a fraction out of 100, we can make an equivalent fraction. We divide both top and bottom by 10. When we divide the bottom by 10, we get 100. When we divide the top by 10, we get 34.5, giving the percentage of 34.5%. You've now mastered these exam questions. However, to move forward in the topic, this is your next lesson. Watch this next video to get the best visual demonstration of this skill.